Welcome to today's training program. This is part of the series of Valkyrie Simple Finance videos on risk management. My name is Gerard, and in this video we'll explain what operational risk is and break down the key types that you need to understand. Let us start with a definition. Operational risk is the risk of loss resulting from inadequate or failed internal processes, people and systems, or from external events. It includes legal risk, but excludes strategic risk and reputational risk. Now, I can do separate videos on strategic risk and reputational risk if you would like this. Please ask in the comment section below. To better understand operational risk, the Basel Committee on Banking Supervision, under the Basel II framework, identified 7 main categories of loss events. Whilst the Basel Committee was addressing risk in financial institutions, their categories of loss events can be applicable easily to all other businesses. So, without further ado, let's go through each one. The first category is internal fraud. This refers to unauthorized activity or fraud involving at least one internal party. Examples include intentional misreporting of trading positions, unauthorized transactions, insider trading on an employee's own account, theft, robbery or embezzlement, and forgery. The second category is external fraud. This involves fraud or theft carried out by someone outside the organization. And examples include theft or robbery, forgery, computer hacking or cyber damage, and theft of information. Category 3 is employment practices and workplace safety. This category covers issues relating to employee relations, workplace conditions, and discrimination. And examples include employee compensation claims, wrongful termination, health and safety violations, discrimination claims, and harassment. Category 4 is clients, products, and business practices. This category relates to failures in meeting obligations to clients or issues with product design. And examples include misuse of confidential client information, money laundering, product defects, and exceeding client exposure limits. Category 5. Damage to physical assets. This category includes losses caused by physical damage from external events. Examples include natural disasters, terrorism, and vandalism. The 6th category is business disruption and system failures. This covers disruptions caused by system or infrastructure failure. Examples of this include hardware or software failure, telecommunications issues, and utility outages. The 7th and final category is execution and process management. This involves failures in transaction processing or operational procedures. And examples include miscommunication, data entry error, accounting error, unauthorized access to client accounts, vendor disputes, and outsourcing failures. So there we have a structured overview of operational risk and the 7 main categories. Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more.